All right, guys, today we're making the best pizza I've ever made in my entire life, so let's get to it. So start by preheating your oven to 425, and then we're going to take our cauliflower crust, and we're going to put our sauce down, which is a tomato basil pesto, and then we're going to put spinach on there, and then we're going to add our pepperoni. I got fresh pepperoni that I cut myself, and then red onions, and then we're going to add in our marinated artichoke hearts, and then we're going, or just artichokes in general. Well, it's the heart, yeah. And then we're going to do black olives and cook that in the oven for 7 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're going to make our aioli drizzle. So we're going to do sun-dried tomatoes, sun-dried tomato oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to add in our mayo, and we're just going to blend all of that up. I did add more more oil than I showed here just because it was really thick and I wanted it to be a little thinner. So just add oil accordingly until you get the consistency that you want. I did still have it like a little thick though. After it's done cooking, we're going to take it out of the oven and we're going to put a balsamic glaze on top, dried oregano, and then our mayo mixture. And I promise you the mayo mixture is like, it just, if I die being known for anything, I want it to be this pizza. It was that good. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.